I just pull up to the east side, but it keep me westin'. Just started something, but learned still you was testing. I could've got a degree, teach you a lesson. You ain't gon' make it in life with no aggression. I call my Mac 11, welcome till the beach. I pull up to my elementary, cause all my teachers who said I should never be a dreamer. Well, now I'm doing something and you not. Past tubby, I believer. They say more money, more checks create the problem. Wouldn't have a problem if you off the ones that start them. How you talking down to me, but you was at the bottom. I was watching your career fall autumn. Don't talk a lot, cause I'm a man on a mission. If I'm the best, they can be competition. Clean the business up, watch how it glisten. Know we the greatest, if you would just listen. My circle smaller like the one of your chest. You come for one of us, then I'm more. Come shade at your neck. We can argue and pick up, but in war we gon' connect. I be shooting at your temple like we was some mass text. Big shit, go, no I'm down, 10 toes. Got me, you're the same fool, no this ain't open talk. I style up, it's the best come back with my dough. As soon you see the light, it gon' be with my nightmare. I just pull up to the east side, but it keep me westin'. Just started something, but learned still you was testing. I could've got a degree, teach you a lesson. You ain't gon' make it in life with no aggression.
But I didn't pull away that chopper, get your man up. Now a nigga hatin' cause you know that he a fan up. If he so hop up on the beat, that shit they go banana. No, I got it on my own, yeah, I ain't take no handouts. Yeah, why you leaving me? 6 rings, man, I roll like 23. Open up your eyes, girl, and tell me what you see. You didn't wanna fuck with me, but you on your knees. I be doing all this shit, I ain't no sleep. I be grinding, it's like 7 days a week. Hit after hit, man, I come in with that heat. Bullet see on the code and use it on the feet. I can't really fuck with you labels. You just want the money, that's the way it goes. And you really wanna smoke, I got that Draco. I get a waist and let that thing blow.
Bullets spraying where they at, move too fast to hit your knock. In the same sudden motion, you heard me, your head was bobbing. Way I pull the trigger, if my gun command me like it's bobbing. I pulled the hook from the tree, maybe that's why I'm running. To the core, hit the corner store. $1 Arizona's what I used to drink before. But now I'm making hits and music them galore. So now you wanna hate inside, it's like a Cold War. It's a height now, neck full of ice now. Daddy penitentiary was dreaming about his life now. Pull up on me lights out, hating how you like now. Only 14, making bangers got you like how. I just pull up to the east side, but it keep me westin'. Just started something, but learned still you was testing. I could've got a degree, teach you a lesson. You ain't gon' make it in life with no aggression.